Hey everybody, it's Coach Snyder. I'm getting ready to do my workout today. We are on day 7 of this journey. Let me show you what I got here. Got my calendar. I got my calendar down here. We did chisel endurance yesterday, so today we're doing Sundays because I took the weekend off. Yeah, so we got total body hammer and 10-minute ab hammer. And I think it was like 45 minutes long, so hello. Just getting my workout going here in a minute. I need to cross these days off. And then, good afternoon. I'm going to show you. So I said total body hammer, and this is Beachbody On Demand. This is what I use. This is amazing. This is what I help people out with. But we got to look for total body hammer, total body chisel, total body. Okay, I must Oh, there we are. 45 minutes long today. And so then I'm just going to hit, well, before that, I'm going to show you. I got a tracker sheet, so I'll be filling this out. We're doing like a pyramid thing, but as you can see, that's what I'll be filling out. So I better get started. If you have any questions, please jump on, or please ask away, because I'd love to answer them. But anyways, I'm going to get my workout in, and I'm going to keep on going and get my transformation on. Hope you're doing awesome today. I got a band instead of a pull-up bar that I'm going to be using.
Today's workout is max hammer strength. The purpose of this workout is to pre-fatigue the muscle following down max.
But first we'll be doing the warm-up. He's my trainer today.
Alright guys, pick up the bands. Let's start with the warm-up. Roll it nicely and safety, just like I'm doing. Follow my lead. If you don't have a band,
so I'm just following him
in here with his perfect hair. Great. Stretch it slightly right there. Bring it down. Let's start with the warm-up.
Hello.
And go up and down. There you go.
Getting the warm-up on right now with my Beachbody On Demand.
Relax. Warm up the shoulders. Raise them up. There you go. One more, guys. Up. Bring it down. And now from here to the top. Stretch it. Triceps and bring it down. There you go. Like that. You see that face when I'm doing it? That means my triceps are flexed. I want to get a good warm-up when I'm doing it. Super important.
If you have any questions, please just ask away. I do all my working out at home. I am not the trainer, but I have this amazing thing called Beachbody On Demand. And that's where I've been getting my transformation. I don't go to gyms. I just stay home and I work out. It works for me.
Work it.
And I think it works for you too.
You need to warm up really well. There you go. I bend my elbows down as low as I can. Last one, guys. Doing great. Down, up. Next move. All the way to the back. Stretch it.
I got my daughter here with
bring
me.
it to the front. Nice. All the way. Watch. It's stretch.
But I hope you guys are having an awesome Tuesday.
Over there with this towel. So make sure you got the towel open.
Nice and sunny here. It's going to be 90 degrees today, I think.
All the way. Watch it. Open your chest. Shoulders, triceps, last one. Make sure you really roll it slowly back. And same thing on the way to the front.
Hello, William.
Next move.
Gabrielle.
Squat and reach.
Gabriella.
Tighter here.
Hope you guys are doing awesome.
From here, squat and reach. As you reach to the top, I want to see that shoulders going up.
Yeah, we got programs for everybody. We got dance on this Beachbody On Demand. We got yoga.
Let it go, because I want the band to face my
got
chest right here.
Boxing.
We're going to reverse lunge.
We've got
twisting the opposite side.
bear blend,
Keep looking
yoga.
right at me.
You name it,
Let's
probably got
get
it.
started and go. Reverse, twist.
Still doing the warm up.
There you go. Reverse, twist. Keep the tension on the band. Don't let it go below your chest. Very nice. Whew. And one more. Great. Next move. Opposite side.
What's up, John?
Twist the other side. Keep looking at me. You know what's coming. Same thing. Go to reverse, twist. Now we're getting your lower back involved too.
I believe you got to put in the work
guys.
if you want to get
Great.
healthy and fit.
Drop the band not too
I believe
far.
y'all can get your goals. You just got to put in that
We're
work.
gonna walk to a plank. Let's do it. Walk to a plank. And I want you to keep your legs.
All right, I'm walking
straight
to the
as you
plank.
can. Stretch your hamstrings. Same thing as you come up. Stand up. Go down. See my legs? Staying straight. This is one more, and I want you to stay down as you go down. Right here, stay down.
You say hi to him.
Watch what I'm doing. Grabbing the band. This time I want to keep attention on it as I raise it up.
This is my daughter, Magnolia Grace.
1, 2, and go.
She has autism, so
And down. Squeeze.
she is
And down.
using a lot of sign language. So if she signs to you,
Very nice. One more, guys. And great. Good. From here, sit up. We're going to a child pose. Let your glutes.
we are
touch
just
your
doing the
toes.
warm-up though.
Bring your hands forward. And I want your palms. I want your hands and your palms pressed against the floor as you drop your chin down. Take a deep breath.
Like I said, I am not the trainer at all, and I promote these. Basically, I'll show you who my trainer is.
Make sure.
I changed programs, so now it's Sagi Kevlon. He's a bodybuilder.
Safety is number
He's
one.
pretty, you should look him up, man. He's won a lot of awards for bodybuilding.
If you don't have a band, here's a towel. Let's get started. First move, as I said, this is gonna be something. 60 seconds, we're gonna do reverse lunge, starting with this leg with no weights, body weight. You guys ready? You ready? And let's go. Reverse and up. Reverse. Watch my chest.
It looks like we're doing reverse
Watch my
lunges.
shoulders, and watch how I bend my legs. This knee at 90 degrees.
You can do a lot of things while you're working out. So you
You
can
can go faster if you
grab a
You can go slower.
yogurt for your daughter.
There's no problem.
You got watermelon.
I'm going at my own pace. 60 seconds is a long time. Let's see Chelsea here. How you doing, girl?
No excuses, man. Just keep going.
Just getting started. She knows what's coming.
That's why I love doing these
Keep going.
workouts,
Your
because they're right
pace.
from home.
Nice and slow. Like that. Where are you going like that?
I'm gonna post my
working by that
transformation
body.
picture
What's
as
doing?
of this far today, later
That's
on.
good. Wow.
So if
Okay,
you're
I'm gonna
interested in
come
seeing
stop
it,
this workout.
Stay
Nice.
tuned to my
10
post
seconds,
on my
guys. We're almost there.
Facebook.
Come on. Almost there. 3, 2, and stop. Good. Next move. When I say max weight, I meant max weight. You're going to grab max weight and you're going to go for 8 reps. Same move. On my cue. 1, 2, and go. 1, 2. Watch my chest. Watch my legs. Watch my form. Super important. I say max weight as long as you keep your form in perfect shape. Last one, guys. Excellent. Drop the weight. Great. Next
I'm gonna
move.
take a minute for a second before we do the next move. Are these even on here? Do. Let me see if I got another paper. See, I have tracker sheets, so I know next time that I can challenge myself. I just gotta find the other one. Maybe I don't have it. I must have not printed it out. Crazy. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and write them out, man, and I would love to answer them.
The same thing, but reverse leg. So this leg is going to go back for 60 seconds. Let's get started. Back. Up. Nice. Keep that pace going. You can go a little faster. Watch what I'm doing. 60 seconds a long time.
I'm here to help.
I've been doing it for a long time. I know you can
3
do
years
it too.
strong of doing these
You're a
workouts.
hammer and a beast.
Knowing about the
So you can go
programs.
even faster if you
Knowing
feel
about
that.
the supplements.
You can do 60 seconds the same pace.
If you want to get
If
healthy
for
and
some
fit,
reason
man,
you get stuck,
I can help you.
Alvin is
If you want to run a
slow.
business
Nothing
as
wrong
of
with
health
that.
and fitness, I
You
can
see,
help you do that
He
too.
knows how to pace himself. He's keeping his form, chest up. He's doing great. And watch his legs.
I love doing
his
everything
feet,
from home.
His knees at 90 degrees. That's his pace. He's staying like that. That's the secret behind it. Know your limit. You're doing great, Alvin. 10 seconds, guys.
I've met a lot of cool people along the way and still
There you
meeting
go.
cool people.
5, 4, 3, 2. Great. You know what's coming next? Same weight. Max weight. Woo! Let's do it now. Go down. Nice. Down. Up. Down. Up. Watch my form. My shoulders. If I feel like I'm losing control, I'll flex my triceps. You got 2 more, guys. That's it. Last one. And beautiful. Track the weights. Track the weights.
Maybe you know some people that might need help with their health and fitness. Share me with
Track
them,
it.
please.
I'm not joking.
I would love
Next
to help
move,
anybody.
Push-ups. 60 seconds.
And how I help people are through these
Right
programs.
there. Are you ready to go? Ready. All right, let's start. We're gonna do it together. I'm with you guys. All right. 1, 2, and down. Up. Watch my intensity. I know I can go faster. I know so can you. Watch my chin and my pace. Nice. But I want you to watch your form, and if you have to, because you get stuck, drop one knee down. You keep going. Again, if for some reason you get stuck, drop the other knee. Come on. Let's go, girl. Beautiful. There you go. If
Gotta
she
put in the
stuck
work.
on top for a second,
That's what I'm doing.
That's right, because she's now resting.
Every day.
She's keeping the tension on the triceps, on the chest, but watch your back. Watch your feet. This is the ultimate form. That's how it's done. Chin down. She's not looking for anything. You got 8 seconds, girl. What you gonna do? Oh yeah. There you go. Beautiful. And
Wow.
time. Nice. Next move.
Hello, Colin Ball and
Let me show you how it's done.
Marcy Evans.
Grab max
How you
weight
guys
after
doing?
60 seconds. Max weight is gonna be a lot. So,
All right,
here how it's done.
I am going to get some heavier weights. Somewhere around here. I've got weights everywhere. Weights everywhere around in my house. What do you want now, cheese? Awesome. All right, here, come here. Come here. This is parenting and getting a workout in. Whew. She's the only one up with me. I have 4 kids. I've only hit 1 up, so.
Kick it as you go down. Just like that. And press, squeeze your chest. You guys ready? Ready. On my cue. 1, 2, and press up, down. Squeeze up, down. Watch my feet planted to the floor. Watch my chest squeeze up. My chin is not moving. Excellent. Squeeze up. You got 2 more, guys. Up. Last one. Squeeze on top. Don't lose your form. And safely come up with the weight. Drop it. Very good. Track the weight. Big T. Track the weight.
Using 30s for those.
Some water. Hydrate. Super important.